how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of Bitcoin from Phantom Wallet to be able to receive it. Now, first of all, open your Phantom Wallet app and make sure to log into your wallet. Now, after that, in the home page, you will see the Bitcoin. Now, click on it. Now, to get the withdrawal address of Bitcoin, now just click on Receive. And as you can see, you can copy the withdrawal address from here. So after you copy the withdrawal address of Bitcoin, now go back and open your Binance app. Now after you open the Binance app, make sure to log into your account first and tap on Assets. From the top bar, select the spot. Now after that, click on Withdraw. Now in the search bar, just type BIT. So after you find the BTC, you need to type BTC like that. So after you find your token Bitcoin, now click on it. Now click on Send via Crypto Network. And as you can see here in the address, now just provide the address that you copied from Phantom Wallet. Now in the network, select the Bitcoin. There is only one. And now the amount, just type how much you want to transfer. Now after that, just click on Withdraw. And in a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your Bitcoin on your Phantom Wallet from Binance. So this is how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.